Hello YouTube Nation, welcome back to my channel. I am Tia Latrice, and as always I am so happy to have you here. Guys, if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload new content. Okay, so I have a super cute thrift flip that I just wanted to share with you really quickly tonight. So this is the before picture. I came across this huge basket at the Goodwill. I was not quite sure what the original intended purpose was. I even asked the employee at the store. She said that she was not sure what it was originally used for. However, when I saw it, I immediately thought dog bed. So I looked up online to see if they even made wicker dog beds. They do make them. I'm not exactly sure if this in fact is a wicker dog bed, but some of the ones that are about this size, I mean, and this thing is huge. I'm not sure if you can really truly see the scope of it from the video and the pictures, but this thing is huge. And online, I saw quite a few of them. I mean, that were like over $100. So this one I got from Goodwill. I paid $11 for it, and it was in really good condition, and all I intended to do was hit it with a quick coat of spray paint and to put my dog's existing bed just on the inside. So that's exactly what I did. I'm going to show you how that turned out. So I used this ultra matte black spray paint by Rust-Oleum. I picked this up at Walmart. It only cost about $3 or $4 for the can, and I only used one can for this project. So what you see here is after my first coat of the spray paint. It actually gives really good coverage. I can still see a little bit of the brown showing through from that original color of the wicker. However, I did just wait until that dried. I gave it about 40 minutes or so, just so it was mostly dry, and then I went back in with another coat of spray paint on top. Now, one thing I will definitely advise you to do if you are spray painting wicker or any woven basket material, make sure that you spray it from different angles. That is because from one angle it may look like you have completely covered your piece, but from those other angles you're definitely going to see that there are some spots that you did not reach, simply because of the way that the piece is made. So I did flip that upside down to do another coat, and as you can probably tell, I didn't really worry so much about doing the absolute bottom or even the inside bottom of this piece, simply because I knew that that part would not be showing, and then on the inside I knew that that's where I was going to be putting the bed cushion. So I just wanted to make sure that all of the exterior parts were completely covered, because that was the part that you're going to see. And here is the finished product. Super quick, super simple. It is amazing. I say this all the time. It's amazing how a coat of paint can transform a thing. It is crazy. So anyway, here is the finished product. And here is my dog, Missy. She absolutely loves this little bed, and she has been in it since I brought it into our room. She's posing for the camera right here, and she has definitely already grown pretty familiar and pretty close to this piece. So I just wanted to show this to you guys. Super quick flip. Let me know what your thoughts are, especially my pet lovers. Let me know if you've ever seen one of these wicker beds, and if this is something that you would definitely do for your pets, for your little furry friends. But anyway, I'll check you guys out on my next DIY.